Samsung qn65q900rbfxza flat 65-inch QLED 8K Q900, the best TV ever from Samsung. The Samsung qn65q900rbfxza flat 65-inch QLED 8K Q900 series Ultra HD Smart TV combines true-to-life 8K HDR picture quality, AI-powered intelligent upscaling, stunning design and smart home-ready features for a groundbreaking Samsung TV experience. This QLED TV boasts an outstanding 8K resolution 7680 by 4320 of over 33 million pixels, 16x the resolution of Full HD 1080p HD TV, for a true-to-life visual experience. Powered by a revolutionary quantum processor 8K, the QLED TV enables today's content to be remastered into stunning 8K detail, reducing banding, macro blocking and artifacts often found in compressed streaming content. Intelligent 8K AI upscaling allows you to enjoy clear and precise images with 8K level picture quality, even from non-native 8K sources. Adding to the extent of brilliant realism, Quantum 8K HDR 24x powered by HDR10 Plus enhances the brightest and darkest colors for a breathtakingly realistic picture. Direct Full Array Elite Backlight 16x features concentrated zones of precision-controlled LEDs to display ultra-deep blacks and pure whites, rivaling OLED. To ensure everyone can enjoy the flat-screen TV picture, an ultra viewing angle reduces glare and enhances color, providing a vibrant picture regardless of where you sit. For the avid gamer, this QLED UHD TV utilizes a dynamic black equalizer to offer you better visibility within the dark and uses detailed scene analysis to optimize image quality. Using FreeSync VRR variable refresh rate technology, the Samsung Q900 gives you the real-time lower lag gaming speed you would like to climb to the highest. To help the Samsung Smart TV blend in together with your home decor, a clever ambient mode allows you to customize the screen with meaningful images for a wonderfully natural effect, including decor patterns and lighting, info, photos and artwork that match your lifestyle. The Samsung Q900 UHD TV includes smart features like One Remote, Bixby Voice Command, on-screen universal guide, SmartThings household appliance and device control, smart speaker expandability with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, and more.